Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel of EPK Capital. On this channel, we talk everything about and from the world of finance, wealth management, and investment that could and would help you make an informed decision about your investments and your wealth management. Now, before we move ahead on today's topic, it is very important for me to disclose and for you people to understand that none of the things that I say on this channel are any kind of investment advice. They are just my opinion, and these videos are for knowledge sharing purpose only. Now, as we have disclosed that, let's get right into today's topic. Now, if you are a retail investor, it could be very confusing for you to decide on how to invest, what to invest in, and when to invest in. So by this video, what we are trying to do is we are trying to explain some of the things that you should keep in mind while making an investment decision. The first thing that an investor should keep in mind is to determine the investment objective. What I mean by investment objective is what is it that you are looking to get out of your investment. Is your objective capital appreciation, income generation, or a combination of both? Now, what this does is it helps to determine the types of assets and investment strategies that you might be considering or you might have to consider in the future. Second thing has to be assessing your risk tolerance. Now, investor need to assess their risk tolerance, which refers to the degree of volatility or uncertainty an investor is willing to tolerate in their portfolio. A higher risk tolerance may allow for more aggressive investment strategy with a higher allocation to equities, while a lower risk tolerance may call for more conservative approach with a higher allocation to fixed income assets. Now, the next thing that an investor should always do is define the time horizon. So, the time horizon is the length of time the investor plans to hold their investment. A longer time horizon allows for more aggressive investment strategy with a higher allocation to equity. Now, once you have determined your investment objective, you assessed your risk tolerance, and you have also defined the time horizon, the next thing that you should do is create an asset allocation strategy. Now, asset allocation strategy or asset allocation refers to the process of dividing your portfolio among different asset classes such as equity, fixed income, and alternative investment, and based on the investor's risk tolerance, investment objective, and time horizon, this should be decided. Now, this has to be very one-on-one, very personal strategy, because every individual is different and every portfolio has to be created differently based on their requirement. So after all these things, next thing that you need to keep in mind or should always be in your mind is the diversification. Now, diversification involves spreading investment across different asset classes, industries, and even different geographies, which are different countries, to reduce the impact of market volatility on your portfolio. Now, the first benefit of diversification is it reduces portfolio volatility. Now, what I mean by reducing portfolio volatility is diversification helps to reduce impact of market volatility on your portfolio by spreading investment across different asset classes and geographies. So what that means that as you diversify, the impact of or the risk of all your investment falling at once reduces. The other outcome of diversification is it helps you maximize the return. Now, when you invest in different asset classes and different geographies, It has its own unique risk and return characteristics, so you are able to take lot of benefit without taking lot of risk. Now, as already mentioned, it also reduces risk. So diversification helps to reduce the risk of losses in the portfolio by investing in a mix of assets that are not perfectly correlated to each other. So I hope this video would help you understand a bit more in detail about what are the things that you should keep in mind while creating your own investment portfolio or creating your own investment strategy. If you are still confused or want us to create an ideal portfolio or take care of your investment because of any reason, you can always head over to our website, which would be written in the description below, or you can always drop in an email to us at info@epkcap.in, and we will get back to you and would help you in creating wealth for generations to come. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.